Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or Bornhype coming at you guys with another video. Today, another unboxing. Let's just get right into it. I don't know if you guys know this box or not. I've never ordered from them before, so I really don't know what to expect in their packaging. This was a shoe that, if you guys didn't watch my entire videos, you won't know. Oh, cool! It came with a receipt. This box is sick. Like, I think this is the sickest box I've ever seen. Like, the box is cooler than the shoe. Okay, guys, enough fooling around. This is the PATTA Jordan 7 in a size 10. This box is sick. It has like the shoe in like a cartoon right there. It says PATTA. Got the normal size tag, and then the and then the Jordan logo there. Almost burnt my phone. All right, let's just. Ooh, this paper is nice too. This is a sick shoe. All right, let's just get right into it. Oh, cool. They have a PATTA Jumpman hang tag too. We'll put these down. Okay, so here it is, the PATTA Jordan 7 here. You got the PATTA hang tag, so it's sideways. It's like a diamond, and the Jumpman's coming off the sides here. I'm gonna put that inside. We got the Jumpman right there. Oh, cool! It says Team PATTA on the heel tab. 23. Got the PATTA right there. Got some nice suede material throughout the whole upper toe box, and then like that like squishy, I don't really fucking know, the normal like Jordan 7 tongue. But honestly, this shoe is sick. The shoe is dope. Trying to show off the time. Says Jordan there. The usual Air Jordan. Honestly, this shoe is dope. I really was not feeling this shoe at first, just because of the colorway. But in hand, this is fire. These are sick. The usual sole, just with the colors PATTA chose. Honestly, I might keep these just for the box. That box is sick. Box is fire. But yeah, guys, that's really it for the PATTA 7s, to be honest. I might do a little on foot if I keep these, because these are my size. My size is 10, 10 and a half. If I do keep these, I'll have some cool pictures in them on my Instagram. Links down below. But yeah, guys, that's really it for these PATTA 7s. Pretty fucking sick shoe, I do say so. And then this weekend we got the glows. Hopefully again, they drop on Easy Supply and Adidas. They did the shock drop the other day. I was pretty pissed. It was midnight for me on school night. It wasn't fun, but hopefully they drop those again Saturday. And then I know Bodega is dropping them. Concepts, the usual places. Kith, probably Undefeated, as well as we got those SB Jordan 1s Saturday. They did the Fortnite shock drop of the Paris ones, New York City to Paris, which I copped in my size 10 and a half. So we'll have another unboxing for those coming up. But yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy. It's been Gavin or Bornhype, and I'm out. Peace.